Hi, this is Temina. I'm a CPA and bookkeeper who helps small business owners and wellness professionals feel confident about their finances. And in this short introductory video, I'm going to walk you through the updated QuickBooks online dashboard using the sample company so you can easily find what you need. And so basically, this is just an intro on how the QuickBooks online screen would look when you log in. So in this main landing page, you're going to be seeing the profit and loss and expenses and some charts and numbers, to show you about any changes that have taken place during the last 30 days. And when you look at the left of the screen, you're going to be seeing this thing called transactions. And the main one here is bank transactions. So most clients connect their bank statements and credit card statements to QuickBooks using the bank feeds, and this is a very quick and reliable way of classifying transactions accurately. So the first step is that these transactions show up under the For Review tab, and then you can basically click on this and classify what accounts this belongs to, whether it's going to be a sales or expense, and what type of category the sales or expense would belong to. And if you look at this other tab called Categorize, this is basically going to be showing the ones that have already been categorized. In the sample company, it's empty, but usually for a client, you're going to be seeing that these have already been classified. And if you need to exclude any transactions from the For Review tab, you can exclude them and they're going to show up in this excluded section. When you look again to the left of the screen, you're going to see sales. So this is basically where you can, put in information about your customers, their names, their addresses, and you can post invoices and have recurring pay. So basically anything that goes along with the sales function. When you look at expenses, this expenses button on the left, you're going to be seeing different expense related items. So basically, vendors, information from the vendor address, and then again, bill payments to the vendors and managing the bill payments. And then you also have a payroll button on the left, and not every client uses that. If they do, it's going to have information on employees, contractors, workers' comp. And there's another button on the left called reports. I find that to be really important. And especially after month end, when you've already categorized everything, you want to see how the client is doing. So you're going to click on standard reports, because that includes the main reports that are needed. So the main ones would be balance sheet and profit and loss. You can use cash flow statements, and the balance sheet shows the position at a point of time. P&L shows the position over a period of time. So this provides a good and accurate analysis. So this is basically, how an initial screen looks to the client. And in future videos, I'll go into more detail in QuickBooks. Thank you.